Picture a man, we'll call him John. John was an average guy, living an average life, in an average town. But John had dreams of becoming more than average, of becoming a high-value man. He knew he had the potential, but he didn't know how to unlock it. Then one day John stumbled upon a video about becoming a Hyper Dopamine Man. Intrigued, he decided to give it a watch. And that decision changed his life forever. Fast forward 2 months and John's life was anything but average. He was now a high-value man, a Hyper Dopamine Man. So how did he do it? How did John transform from an average man to a Hyper Dopamine Man in just 2 months? The answer is simple. He followed the tips and strategies provided in that transformative video. Now imagine if that man could be you. Imagine if in just 2 months, you could transform your life and become a high-value man. Today we're going to share these same tips and strategies with you. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to become a Hyper Dopamine Man, just like John. First, understand what dopamine is. It's a type of neurotransmitter, a chemical messenger that transmits signals in the brain. It plays a role in how we feel pleasure and motivation. When we achieve a goal or accomplish something, our brains release dopamine, giving us a feeling of satisfaction and happiness. To become a Hyper Dopamine Man, you need to learn how to channel this dopamine release effectively. Here are a few strategies to do that. First, set small, achievable goals. Each time you achieve a goal, your brain releases dopamine. So by setting small goals, you can create a consistent dopamine release, which will keep you motivated and focused. Second, exercise regularly. Physical activity is a proven way to boost dopamine levels. Plus, it helps you stay fit and healthy, both mentally and physically. Third, eat a healthy diet. Certain foods like bananas, avocados, and almonds can help increase your dopamine levels. Fourth, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness can help you stay focused and reduce stress, which can boost your dopamine levels. Fifth, get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for maintaining healthy dopamine levels. Finally, avoid harmful substances. Drugs and alcohol can interfere with your dopamine levels, leading to a decrease in motivation and focus. To summarize, becoming a Hyper Dopamine Man involves understanding dopamine and how it influences your mood and motivation. By setting small goals, exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, practicing mindfulness, getting enough sleep, and avoiding harmful substances, you can increase your dopamine levels and become a high-value man, just like John. That's all for today. Remember, becoming a Hyper Dopamine Man doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and effort. But with these tips and strategies, you can start your journey today. So, are you ready to become a Hyper Dopamine Man? Are you ready to unlock your full potential and become a high-value man? If so, subscribe to our channel and join a community of men who are committed to personal and professional growth. Thank you for watching, and remember, you have the power to become a Hyper Dopamine Man. It's time to unlock your potential. See you in the next video.